If you are tired of stubborn pet stains, accidental coffee spills, or dirty upholstery that never seems to get clean, this compact machine is an absolute game changer. The Bissell Little Green Portable. Cleaner brings professional grade. Spot cleaning right into your hands. Its powerful suction combined with strong spray action easily lifts away deep-seated dirt, grime, and tough messes from carpets, couches, stairs, and even your car's interior. It is lightweight, effortless to carry around, and simple to clean after every use. Stop wasting money on expensive, deep cleaning services or hiding stains under decorative pillows. Upgrade your home cleaning routine and bring your fabrics back to life with zero hassle. Check out the link in the video description below to grab yours on Amazon right now for the best price.